What the fuck happens when you crack your knuckles? No, you're not snapping bones like a Mortal Kombat finisher. And no, Grandma, you're not summoning arthritis demons every time you do it. Your joints are filled with this greasy-ass goo called synovial fluid. It's basically lube for your fucking bones, so they don't grind together like two crusty-ass Doritos. When you stretch your fingers like a bored teenager in math class, gas comes out of the fluid and forms tiny fucking bubbles in the joint. Then, those bubbles pop. That loud-ass crack sound is not your soul leaving your body, it's just those gas bubbles collapsing like your fucking GPA. So unless you're cracking your knuckles with a sledgehammer, calm the hell down. You're not wrecking your joints, you're just throwing a bubble party inside your hands. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your beautifully fucked up body.